Good morning, guys. Matty Mac here. Just wanted to show you one of my funnels. I was talking to some people about a basic Clickbank affiliate funnel and multiple offers. I just wanted to show you one that I built, and I'll show you. This one is in the survival niche, wilderness survival niche. So basically, it starts with a lead generation offer, a lead magnet. So in this case, I had put together a survival guide, a wilderness survival guide, which I give away free, of course. So when I advertise and they want that free, or when they're on the website, they can just click on it and download it for free. It takes them to an opt-in page, of course. The opt-in page puts them on my list and takes them through to the first Clickbank offer, which is just some survival gear. They can either choose yes, they'll investigate that and jump through to my affiliate link, or no, they're not interested. If they do choose no, it'll go through to a second offer and says, hey, maybe you're interested in this one. They can choose yes or no. We'll take them through to another one and then another one. And if they go no all the way through, it takes them directly back through to the website. In the meantime, puts them on the email list, the drip list. And from there, it will send them to one or two of the offers each day. Assuming they didn't go for those offers, it might go through to the next email will go through to a different offer, and then so on and so on. And at the end of the sequence, again, it will say, hey, check out my website. So that's the layout of the funnel. I'll show you the actual funnel. This is it here. So you can see there's the opt-in page and then 4 offers. And I'll show you what it looks like. So this is it. Surviving the Wild Outdoors is an ebook that I had made up, very quick and easy. I think I went to Fiverr and had it just written up, and then people can download it for free. So of course they enter their email address. They enter their email address. That'll take them, drop them into the funnel. Of course, we collect their email address. And then it drops into the funnel. It says, hey, thanks. Here's where they download the guide. So it's just a direct link to a Dropbox link, and they can download the guide themselves, and then they've got what I promised them. But it says, hey, wait, I've got a special offer for you. And then this is just accessories. So these will change periodically as things change or as offers come and go. You can just drop in and out different offers, which is very easy to do. So if they say, yes, they're interested in that, okay, show me. They just need to click on, and that will go straight through via my affiliate link to the offer at hand. And then, of course, if they buy anything, it's payday, of course. If they did choose no, it takes them to the next step in the funnel, which will be another offer. So a bit like a downsell, I guess you can say. How about this? What about this? What do you think? Okay, show me that one. Now that opens in a new page, so you still got the page in the background, so you're not losing that. So that if they go back to it, they can still follow through the funnel. So that's different product. No, not interested in that one. Strike pen, that was a big one when it first came out. Interested in that, yes or no? And I think there's one more. Yeah. Must have survival kit. Of course, that's a good one. So I say pretty much the best one till last. Last chance. And if they do choose no, it ends the funnel there and takes them back to my website. On the website, so on the main page of the website, they do have the guide that they can download. There's a few other affiliate links, Amazon affiliate links, and so forth as well. But that's it. That's a fairly simple Clickbank affiliate offer funnel with multiple Clickbank offers. Very easy to set up. I'll leave a couple of links down if you're interested in either getting a copy of that funnel and just load it with your own links, or a niche website like this one, which is a very easy start point. But it's all referring back and forward through your own offers. So keep the traffic with yourself, with your offers. And yeah, good luck with it.